After completing the store and region settings, we will begin the payment setup. Step 1. Connect to Stripe. The first step is to click Connect Stripe. Stripe is a highly credible and internationally renowned payment gateway. Many large marketplaces use Stripe as their primary bridge for collecting payments. Step 2. Enter the Stripe interface. Once you click the link, you will enter the Stripe interface. Verification. First, enter your email address. Next, enter your phone number. Stripe will send a verification code to your mobile. Please enter the code once you receive it. Business type. In the next step, we need to select our business type. Today, we will proceed as a sole trader. Individual. If you are operating as a registered company, please select the company option. Personal details. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and correct address. Please ensure this information is accurate, as this serves as the official link between the payment gateway and your bank. What you see on my screen now is just temporary placeholder data. Step 3. Business category and website. Next, we choose the type of business. Since we are selling luxury pens, I am selecting Other for now. Then, enter your email and website name. If you have your own website, fill in your URL. If not, please enter our website URL and click Next to continue. Step 4. Bank account details. Critical step. This is the most important part. You must fill in your bank account information. This tells Stripe which bank account to transfer your earnings into. Step 5. Final review and confirmation. Let's double check if the information is correct. Wait a moment. I noticed I missed the website information earlier. I'm going back now to complete that field. Once everything looks good, click Agree. You will see a message saying thank you, and you will be automatically redirected back to the SEO.COM.HK website. Step 6. Completion. Finally, click on Payment one more time. You should see the message, "You are connected with Stripe." This means your setup is officially complete.